Hi, I'm Dean Lartman, and this is a tutorial for the software setup of Kinder Scientific's StartleMonitor System. For this, you'll need a host computer and a copy of the StartleMonitor software. First, you'll want to create a new file on the host computer. Here I'm calling it KS Startle. Then extract the files from the CD into this file. From here, you will double-click on the executable application and follow the prompts. Click Next, read the license agreement and click Agree. Click Install. And click Finish. To open the software, click on the Start menu and search for Startle. From here, you can create a shortcut to the desktop. Double-click, and you have successfully installed Kinder Scientific's StartleMonitor software.